Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I gonna share with you that most important things that I have ever read. What is that? I read a book as a man thinking, and I realized the most important thing, that is the root, that is the seed. What is that? Once you when you use a seed to for a cultivate, then you get it after the long time. That is the main point. This is the seed, and you cultivate it, and then it after a long time it become a big tree like that. Okay, so when you when you pour a one seed in your mind, and it becomes slowly bigger, and after a long time it's become a reality of yourself. It is the most important things I have never understood before a time, because before a time I have no idea about it. What is the I have a questions. I had a questions, various questions, but I had a no answer that time. Now I find my answer, some critical answer and some real answer that I ever heard about it. Because we are all live in the critical thinking society. They have a own critical thinking, and they blamed you, and they stick you. They blamed you and throw at you a one thinking at own thing, and own thinking like that. They only pretend that I am a good person, and I can I am a good person, I am a best person like that. But it's not reality. Main reality is that what they are thinking in their mind, and what they are telling you is most important. And we all are so innocent. While during my teenager, during our growth, we all are so innocent. We all are just trying to understand this area, this society, what type of society is better, and what is the main goal should I achieve. This is the main fact, and that's why we should aware from this. That is the main thing, is that we should keep a calm and keep a courage, and we should think positive. That's become in reality. We always think in negative, that negative will present you and will show up you as a negative result like that. Once you have to do that, you should think positive, and it's become a reality after a long time. And if you want to be a healthier person, you should think in a positive way. That type of thinking are good for health, good for your career, good for your anything like that. So this seed you need to cultivate in your mind, that no, I can do. This is my small seed. It's like a dream, imagination. And one day it will become a reality, become a result as you want. There is a major factor is the choice. What you choiced. Main character of choice is that if you want to progress yourself, if you want to grow up, or you want to stick with your own thoughts, own critical thought. I think we all need some space, some like a free air like that. We all are in prison. That is the main reason we are not able to doing anything, because we all are afraid from own position, afraid from own ability. This is not good. Let's take a one step toward your future. You can do anything. Just say yourself that no, I can do. This is the seed, like a seed. It's become a reality while taking you action. Action is most important. Like when you don't take action, how can you improve? Nothing. There is no other shortcut of getting achievement. If you want to succeed, you have to fail, because if you not face your failure, how can you reinvent yourself, and how can you get a success? Nothing nothing is shortcut. Just tell yourself no, I can do, and it is my reality. Accept your reality. As when I read the book, this is the pretty book, this is a very good book. I think we all need to read this book. I recommended you. I highly recommended you that you should read this book, especially as a teenager. I know that it's something hard, you can't get it, but one day you will get it. This is my today's talk. Okay, bye bye.